Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Shopify store for higher conversions. Why store optimization matters. If you're running ads or getting organic traffic, but only a small percentage of visitors are buying, that's where your profit is leaking. The average Shopify conversion rate is only around 1.5%, but with the right optimizations, you can easily double that. Your product page is the most important part of your store, and this is where your visitors decide if they'll buy or leave. So every element needs to be done correctly. Now, on your Shopify dashboard, go to your online store. Click on Edit Theme, and inside the theme editor, go to a product page. So inside this page, make sure you have high quality product images. Use at least 5 photos showing different angles, scale, and ideally a short looping demo video. Videos massively increase customer trust. Additionally, if your theme supports it, switch from a grid view to a carousel so customers can swipe easily. Then save your changes. Improving your product copy tags. Avoid listing plain features like made with blank materials. Instead, focus on the benefits. For example, this plate can keep your food warm for over 30 minutes. Another example, it helps you save dishwashing soap every month. Use bullet points so customers can skim quickly. Clear, fast, and benefit-focused descriptions convert way better. Then strengthening your call to action. Your add to cart button must stand out with a bold, contrasting color right here. It should be easy to tap on mobile, and lastly, appear near the top of the page. This instantly boosts conversions, especially for mobile visitors. If you're not happy with your current theme, you can just simply go back to your theme library, browse for a free Shopify theme or even a paid one. Then pick one that fits your style. To increase your average order value, you can use built-in apps or product pages blocks like frequently bought together or goes well with this product, product suggestions, and add-on bundles. These are optional but very effective. So visitors always ask themselves, can I trust this store? For that, you should add the following. Customer reviews. Show reviews with real customer photos and video. If you're brand new, you can manually create your first review so your page doesn't look empty. Security badges. Place secure payment icons such as Visa, MasterCard, SSL, badges near your Add to Cart button or footer. Should be right here, more payment options. And lastly, urgency elements. Use subtle urgency like only 4 left in stock or a limited time sale countdown. This pushes customers to buy sooner. The next one is make your checkout super simple. Every extra step slows down your buyer. For every 1 second your site slows down, conversions can drop by 7%. So make sure to use Shopify Optimized Checkout, only ask for essential information, allow guest checkout, and keep everything fast and simple. You can edit those in here as well on the checkout section in the settings. Your checkout should feel quick and easy. Lastly, customers should have the option to recover abandoned carts automatically. Some customers will still leave without buying, and that's normal. Set up an automated free email recovery sequence to remind them about their cart. You can use Shopify email or any email marketing app of your choice. Actually, even Amazon does this. You probably received you forgot something in your cart emails before. This works extremely well. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.